even see. Oh my god. There's a firehouse right there. Ah, snow in my face. You can't even see. Holy crap. There, now you can see. Woo. Still can't even see. Woo! Everything's white. See that? Whoa. That snowed pretty hard.
But not now.
Yeah. That was a pretty good snow squall. Well, play with my tractor now. It just came down like it. Where's my gloves? Where'd I throw my gloves?
Light on your tractor. You won't be able to see you.
Where's my gloves? Oh, they're over here. It's over the camera screen. Get off.
Rushed to the hospital after suffering a serious injury on the ice.